Using formulas to perform calculation. Formulas in Excel begin with an equal sign. When the contents of a cell begin with equal to sign, Excel understands that user has given a formula here. If you don't enter the equal sign, Excel will treat your entry as text and the calculation will fail. To show how formulas work, we'll begin with a simple exercise by selecting blank cell A1. Then type equal to 5 plus 5 and press Enter key. As you press the Enter key, Excel performs the calculation and produces the result as 10 in cell A1. Enter some more formula in other cells and see what results are shown by Excel. 1 equal to 8 minus 5, 2 equal to 8 multiplied by 5, 3 equal to 8 divided by 5, equal to 8 exponentiation 5. The results will be 3, 40, 1.6 and 32,768 respectively. Some formulas based on BEDMAS rule can be entered as 1 equal to 8 plus 5 in bracket minus 2 plus 3 in bracket exponentiation 2. 2 equal to into bracket 9 divided by 3 multiplied by into bracket 4 exponentiation 2 minus 5. You can also use cell addresses to perform calculation in the following way. Notice that when the cell C1 is selected in the formula bar, shows the formula you just type. What appears in the cell is the result. What appears in the formula bar is the value, which is a formula in this case. The elements of a formula are references, a cell or a range of cells that you want to use in your calculation. Operators, symbols like plus, minus, multiplication, divide by, exponentiation, dollar sign, percentage sign, etc. that specify the calculations to be performed. Constants, numbers or text values that do not change.